Hello and welcome back to another useful video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted or lost files from Google Drive. Let's get started. How's it going, everyone? Ken here with Recoverit, and in today's video, we're going to show you a couple of ways that you can recover lost or deleted files from Google Drive. So what is Google Drive? Well, Google Drive is an online storage solution. It allows you to store files online and share those files with clients, friends, or family. You can store files to multiple devices like Mac, PC, Windows, or even your phones, which is pretty cool. But sometimes things go missing, and it's when they go missing that you need to be able to recover them. So today I'm going to show you some built-in solutions to Google Drive to find and recover those files, along with using our utility Recoverit to be able to retrieve any of those missing files. All right, now I'm going to show you the most common way to recover files from Google Drive. Let's go ahead and jump into the computer. Now I have my Google Drive window open in Google Chrome, and you can see that I have a folder, a subfolder called Clients. This is where I stored those photos and files that I need to send to a client later on. One of the things you want to remember if you are trying to search and/or recover files, you want to make sure you're logged into the right Gmail account. Clicking on the icon in the far right-hand corner will indicate which account you are logged into. In this case, I'm logged into itsrecoverit@gmail.com. Clicking on the client folders, I'm going to go ahead and accidentally delete some files here. I'll delete that one and that one. Oops. How do I recover this now? Well, on the left-hand side, you'll notice there is a trash icon. If I click on the trash icon, here is my deleted files. I can simply go Control and copy all the files, right-click, and restore by clicking the top icon. Your files are back where they're supposed to be. That was pretty easy. Alrighty, so let me show you the way within Windows you can recover those deleted files from Google Drive. I'm going to click on my Drive folder again. And again, that arrow with the little cloud in the bottom right-hand corner of your taskbar is your Google Drive folder access. Go ahead and click on that and click on the Google Drive folder. I'm going to go to my Clients folder again. And yeah, you can see I'm still missing files from within here. Accessing the trash bin, which is also known as your recycle bin on Windows, you'll notice that we do have some files in here. If I go Control A on my keyboard, right-click, restore, my files have now been put back into my Google Drive. So there's multiple ways that you can restore files from within Windows and from your Google Drive active utility. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's try something a little bit more advanced. Let's say we shared a file or folder with one of our clients and they accidentally deleted the file or folder. How would we be able to recover it or see what they actually did? Well, clicking on the lower right-hand corner of your Google Drive icon in the taskbar, you can actually access your Google Drive on the web. From this window here, there's actually an indication icon right here in the right-hand corner. It says Info. This will actually show you all the activity on your account. So you can see well, I moved them, not my client. There have been 5 items that have been removed and sent to the trash bin. I can simply click on those files and begin to restore them one by one. And if I scroll through the history of events, I can see more items that were moved, deleted, or restored. So now what I can do is go to the trash icon, highlight all the files I want to restore, right-click, and restore. Now my files are back where they belong. Alrighty, so we've went over a couple of the ways that you can restore files that are built into Google Drive. But what if you lose those files permanently and you can't recover them from within Google Drive? Well, luckily for you, Recoverit is able to retrieve those files from a Mac or a PC. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Recoverit. With Recoverit open, I can choose the exact folder location in which I want to recover files from. I'm going to go ahead and hit Start. I'm going to paste in my file location. And if I hit file location, it'll actually start scanning for deleted files. Now this is going to take just a moment for it to look, as it's going to deep scan that folder for anything missing. Alrighty, and just like that, Recoverit has found all the missing files that were deleted. Now, to simply restore these files, all I have to do is click the check mark here, which will indicate that I want to restore all the files, or if I didn't want to restore all the files, I can just individually select one file at a time. But in this case, I know I want to restore all those files. Once they're selected, all I have to do is click Recover. So there you go. There's a couple of useful ways that you can utilize Recoverit to restore deleted or missing files from your Mac or PC. Again, the built-in utilities work just as well on Google Drive, but should you have an extreme situation where you can't recover files, that's where Recoverit comes in. If you've enjoyed this video today, be sure that you give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to this channel as we try to put out useful videos just like this frequently. Take care, and we'll see you next time.